Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a dense jungle, there lived a wise old elephant named Ili. Ili was revered among the animals for his wisdom and fairness. Every year, all the animals gathered for a grand assembly where they discussed matters concerning the jungle. One year, during the assembly, a conflict arose between the monkeys and the birds over the ownership of fruitful mango tree. The monkeys argued that since they lived in the trees, they should have exclusive rights to the mangoes. On the other hand, the birds claimed that they had discovered the tree first and had been enjoying its fruits for generations. Unable to come to a resolution, the animals turned to Eli for guidance. Eli listened to both sides attentively and then suggested a solution. He proposed that the tree should belong to everyone in the jungle and the fruits should be shared equally among all the animals. Initially, some animals were hesitant about this arrangement, fearing that there wouldn't be enough fruits for everyone. But Eli assured them that if they worked together and shared, there would be plenty for all. Reluctantly, the monkeys and birds agreed to Eli's proposal. They started working together to gather the mangoes from the tree and distribute them among the other animals. As time passed, they realized that Eli was right. There were more than enough mangoes for everyone, and the jungle became a harmonious place where all the animals lived in peace and cooperation. The moral of the story is that sharing and cooperation can lead to abundance and harmony, while selfishness and greedy only breed conflict and discontent.